How to set your threads comments so only your followers can reply and quote. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set your threads post so only your followers can reply and quote them. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here first thing first, open the Threads app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the plus icon shown in the bottom center of the screen. And now here, once you see the interface like this, from here you can simply create a new post. Now here you can add a photo, video, or even put a status to put it on your post. And now here, once you're done with everything, before publishing it, you can just tap on the post option shown in the bottom left corner of the screen. Now here from the pop-up menu that appears, you can see the section labeled as who can reply and quote. Now from here you can simply select your followers, and once you're done with that, you can just tap on done. And after that, you can just tap on post to publish your post, and after that, only people who follow you will be able to reply to and quote that post. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.